Welcome to the Make You Crunch Show. I'm your host, Mr. Prez, and we got...
And I'm DJ Code.
DJ Code is in the building.
Yes, sir.
And if this is your first time here on the podcast, welcome.
Welcome.
You know why? We talk about the news that happens in your city, in your town, and you need to know this news. And you know what? You would know this news if you didn't come to the Make You Crunch podcast.
That's facts.
Where Mr. Prez and DJ Code will give you that news. And guess what? Let's get into that juice.
Let's do it.
Let's get into
It's the Make You Crunch Show.
that juice.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing?
You know what? I'm blessed. I'm highly favored. I'm doing good. How was your Christmas?
My Christmas was good.
Good. This is after Christmas, right?
No, this is tomorrow.
My bad.
I'll cut it
Okay, wait.
This is tomorrow's episode.
You know what?
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Good.
I'm doing good. My parents are in Puerto Rico right
nice.
now, so shout out to them. It is their
Wow.
wedding anniversary.
Oh,
So
happy anniversary. They listen to the pod.
they do listen to the podcast. Shout out to my mom and dad.
Yeah.
So happy wedding anniversary to them. Let me see. I got family Christmas coming up.
Yeah.
I am looking forward to that. My whole
Okay.
extended family coming.
Nice.
And then we getting ready to head overseas pretty soon. So
Oh.
next year in January here,
Nice.
we got some overseas stuff coming. So.
That's dope.
Yeah, no, I'm good though. There's no snow.
There's
I'm
no
a little
snow.
pissed about that. I ain't gonna lie.
Are you?
I'm a little peeved.
I'm a little happy about it.
That's wild.
No snow.
How
no
you like
shoveling.
just the cold when it like?
It's pretty warm right now.
Oh, it is. It is. It is warm. That is my fault.
But just being cold, like, I don't mind. As long as there's no snow, I'm okay with being cold.
it is so annoying.
But you like the snow and the cold.
Yes, I want to snowboard.
Ah, you snowboard.
Oh yeah.
That's the most Caucasian thing you ever said to me.
Hey man, I love it.
Only black men.
Hey.
They can find you.
Hey dog, I'll tell you this. I'm gonna tell you this really quick. I was up on a ski resort. I won't say the name 'cause I don't know if that's legal or not. But
Don't do it.
I was like, don't do it. So I was at a ski resort in Michigan, and I was up on the mountain, and this dude comes up to me and pulls down his mask. He's like, boom, and he's like, "Are you black?" I was like, "Boom, yeah, bro." And he was like, "All right, look." So it was a cool moment. It was
said, "What?"
It was a black moment. He's like, "Man, you be doing this too?" I'd be like, "Yeah, man, we out here." So no, it was
Y'all
a cool moment.
dabbed each other up.
Yeah, oh yeah, gloves and all. Like, you know, he was out there in Janko jeans.
Go. Careful.
Yeah, right. Nah, man, it was good though. How are you doing, man?
I'm sick.
Yeah, you are.
If you can't hear it, if you're listening or watching, whatever you're doing,
well, nah.
I'm sick.
Sick.
Sick of everything.
Oh,
Sick of it. No, I got a little cold, but other than that, I'm doing all right.
Good, man.
Not too
Good.
bad. I think I'm ready for Christmas.
oh yeah.
Did all my Christmas shopping.
Dang.
All of it's done.
The presents under the
Numbers-
tree.
No, it's not wrapped.
Okay, well.
No, none of it is wrapped yet. I wait till the 24th.
I wait till the 25th.
Oh.
I'm bringing in an Amazon box. What you get?
You ain't getting it wrapped.
No, I put a bow on the Amazon box.
I mean, that's easier.
Hey, listen, once you go brown, the other colors let you down.
Oh,
That's
see,
the Amazon
there we
motto.
go,
That's what
there
it
we
is.
go.
Amazon, brown Amazon box.
Brown Amazon
Yes,
box.
fine. Yeah.
But I'm excited about what's coming towards the new year.
We got a lot of new things coming up.
The new stuff. If you haven't heard, there's a Fun Fact Friday
Ooh.
that comes out every Friday.
Okay, now.
And then we're going to have something from DJ Code coming soon, too. But I'm excited. Yes, I'm excited about going into next year. So much content.
So much content.
So much content.
Yes.
So y'all stay locked in
Yes.
with the Make You Crunch podcast.
Absolutely. And you know what, Mr. Prez? I do have to shout out a good friend of mine before we actually get going
okay.
here. Shout out to Booker Newton because he did
yeah.
release his first single.
He
I don't know if you've
did.
heard it.
Oh,
Guava.
yeah.
Go get that
Guava.
today. So, anyway, I just wanted to shout that man out.
I'm still mad at him.
What?
He ain't answered my phone call when we was on the podcast.
Hello.
So I'm gonna hold that grudge.
Ah,
to
never
the-
mind. Don't
to the end
go.
of the time.
Don't go look up his song. We don't want to hear it. So-
No, y'all go listen to it. Y'all go listen to it. That's my boy.
Yes. All right.
That's my boy.
All right,
let's get into this entree.
get it going. What do we got?
You know it's Big Back season 6.
Yes, Lord.
So we got that creamy chicken bacon pasta.
Now, God is good,
Oh,
isn't
he's
he?
always good.
Oh,
And on time.
always on time, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So let's get into this entree because I'm excited about this news to bring to you.
Mm-hmm.
You heard of COVID?
Oh, devil is alive. He's alive and well, unfortunately.
Oh, he is.
I did
running in them bats.
I have briefly heard of COVID.
Did you
yes.
get the shot? I don't know if I can ask you that.
Typically, you can't, but COVID's over now. I did not actually get the shot.
You didn't.
And no, I didn't.
There's
And
a
I travel a
reason why.
lot. Okay, see, now you're getting into it too much. See, I let that question slide. Can't do the other side. I don't,
you ain't
okay,
gotta answer that.
I'll tell you why I didn't get the shot.
People want to know.
Yeah, no, no, you want to know. Your nose itself.
No, see.
No, I didn't get the shot because I have other health things, and I didn't know how it was going to actually affect my health at the time. So I opted out of getting the shot.
No.
Yes. Now I'm going to get canceled because of it.
No. I don't think everybody's going to cancel you. They're going to look at you different.
Yeah, look at you sideways. Look at you funny.
You got that funny money.
Right.
No, I got all the shots.
He said, you know how you get like a flight of beer at a thing?
yeah.
He's like, let me get the shot
Give me
flight.
all of them. Give me Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson.
All of them.
What's that third party over
Ooh,
there? I
hey,
don't care.
hey,
Give it to me.
hey, that Johnson & Johnson kind of sus now.
Oh, it is.
Well, no
Terrible.
diddy.
That was Diddy oil in there. That shot.
Yow!
No, I think I got Pfizer. Let me change that.
Yeah, right. Yeah, you better put that Johnson & Johnson away.
Put it away in the closet.
Lord have mercy.
That's why.
Hold up. I never put that together until just now. I literally did not put that together until just now you said
Oh, yeah.
All right. Well, moving on. Here we go.
So COVID was crazy.
It was crazy.
It is crazy.
Yeah.
Actually, there's a few cases of COVID going around right now.
Is there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you might have it.
Oh, Lord.
Sitting right here.
I don't have it. I got the shot.
Oh, yeah.
And the booster.
You got literally everything, didn't you?
I had to, actually, for my job.
Oh, yeah, that
was
makes sense.
required to.
Lord have mercy.
But COVID was crazy. But listen to this. Traveler stumps upon a bizarre COVID-19 theme park.
Oh, God.
So apparently,
Y'all doing too much.
in the UK, there's a theme park of little COVID, little like you know the little germ things they show on like.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So there's like little
Oh, that's
COVID things out there.
not
COVID
not
statues.
real.
There we go.
That's funny.
So yeah, that's crazy. The fact that we went through that 2001, 2002 is still being brought up today, and it has not went away. You see where I'm going with this?
I don't, because COVID was not in 2001.
It was
2001? 2021.
Oh, 2020. What did I say?
2001. I was like, I was 1 year old.
Well, you were one?
In 2001?
Oh, Lord, I'm old.
Yeah, you old. Born in 99.
Forgive me. Thank you for correcting me.
I was going to say, the
I'm
listener's
sick.
going to be tripping.
It's probably been out since 2001.
Probably.
We just found out in 2020.
Right.
One.
Yeah. There you go.
But that's crazy that COVID is still here. It's still affecting us. A lot of people have lost their lives. A lot of people have lost their families.
That's true.
Over COVID.
That's true.
And it's still going on. And we have the audacity to create a theme park.
Can't handle it.
Can't do that.
No, it's too far, people.
It is.
It's just too
Come
far.
on.
You know, like Johnson & Johnson made their money. Pfizer made their money. Let's be done.
Let's be done and over with it.
Right. Is it actually a COVID theme park, or is it just like sick people theme park? That's not right. I shouldn't say that. Like, that's probably not the way to say that. Don't clip that.
This is like a walk around theme park. Like you can walk and see the artifacts that were made.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's not like kids can go on there and play on it.
Right. Okay. So this is like a art, like sculpture
Yes.
park.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
But it looks like it's just symbolizing the time that we did go through, the times of like.
Oh, so it
loves.
actually is about COVID.
Yes, it's about COVID.
Oh. Wow.
So it's almost like a learning walk. Sorry.
This. Okay. All right. Pause. This went from so wrong to. No, I actually kind of get that. That makes sense. That's actually a healthy thing to do.
You know I gotta switch it around on you.
Does Mr. Prince with this deceit?
Gotta be deceitful on
Right.
here.
Don't lie to my listeners.
But this shows you like all the things that we went through. We went from the mask, we
Right.
went from the gloves, we
Yep.
went to the distance, we went
Yep.
to the shots,
Yeah.
we went to spraying people in their eyes.
Yeah.
I don't know about that, but
Well, maybe with Lysol.
Lysol in their
Right.
eyes. But that was a crazy time, and I just wanted to bring that memory up for us.
Well,
As COVID is coming back around.
Oh, it's coming back around.
It always comes in the winter. Last year, it came back again.
I guess it did.
And then this year, it came back again. We in the wintertime.
Well, yeah, we are.
Survives in the winter.
Thrives in the cold.
It thrives in the cold.
Like an Eskimo
Oh, yeah.
or a seal or a penguin.
Penguin is wild.
I love penguins.
Let's get to this next
Let's
one.
do it. That was a horrible one. I don't even understand. That was not that big of a deal.
No,
it is news, though.
It is news.
It's news that you
need
should
to
know.
Because COVID is out there.
It's coming back.
Y'all need to wash your hands, wash your back, and wash your butt.
Right. Not your face. Just hands, back, and butt.
That's all we need you to do.
That's crazy.
That's
wild. That's wild.
Let's get to this next one. You go poop.
Just the personal questions today is wild. I do.
You do.
Yeah.
Now, when you go, this is going to be.
Let's go. No, I'm there. I'm there.
This is the podcast. We get comfortable.
No,
Everybody
I'm
knows us.
comfortable right now.
Everybody knows us.
Yeah.
Why not know us a little bit more?
That's right. Let's talk about it.
Do you grunt?
That's
you
wild.
push?
That's wild. I'm gonna answer this question. Now, it depends what I ate.
That's important.
Yeah,
Because Taco Bell just
Oh.
flushes right through. You
Well-
ain't gotta push for that.
that's
one.
more of a cry for help when that's happening.
That's a scream. That's crazy.
No, I'm not really a grunter. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
I'm not really a grunter.
Oh, nice.
I don't like the splashback.
We talked about that last time.
We did talk about that on podcast.
The
I don't
splashback
like
is amazing.
the,
You get done with a heated one,
hold up.
one that just
Your sick brain got you messed up today. That is wild. That is wild.
the splashback is good.
No, it's not.
Cool. You got the cool refreshment.
We need to end this episode early. You got me messed up right now.
Oh my god, I got tears.
All right, what you got?
Listen to this.
Yeah, it's better be good. Put me through that.
Making this animal sound on the toilet can actually help you poop.
There's no way this is right. There's no way this is true.
So apparently, if you make animal sounds,
Can I guess the animal? Or does it not say it specifically?
there is one animal that they did put on here.
Okay.
But go ahead and guess.
I'm gonna give me 3 guesses.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with a classic dog.
No.
Okay. Is it exotic?
What do you mean by exotic?
Like, I'm not gonna find it in Michigan.
Oh no, you'll find this in Michigan.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say a monkey.
Wait a minute.
My mic just
Oh,
all right, I can't come back from that.
I don't think we can do that.
No, that's what. I don't know if y'all listen on Spotify and not watching this. Go watch that video because you just look at his eyes just then. It was
I don't
wild.
know that you can do that.
All right.
What's your third one?
Yeah, that was wild. I'm going to say, no, okay, wait, you can find it in Michigan.
Yeah.
Is it a household pet?
No.
No. A bear?
No, it's not a bear.
Dang, I don't even know.
Good try, though. Those were good answers.
I don't know really what a bear sounds like.
It was a cow.
There ain't no way.
If I had to guess, it would have been a cow that I would have guessed.
I could have seen that. I probably would have got there.
Or I would have said a silverback gorilla too. So that
We got to move on from that. We're going to get canceled online by the black community.
But to have animal sounds help you poop is wild. I think we should. I'm not saying we should. I think people should try it. Next time, if you listen to podcasts, let us know.
In fact, go now.
If you're on the toilet right now,
Try it.
type in the chat.
Let out a healthy moo. A healthy moo.
A healthy monkey noise.
Hey now.
He said a healthy moo.
A healthy moo.
But that's wild, especially if the ones that you're grunting and can't get out, and you need to make some kind of noise. A moo might help. A moo might help you push.
I just can imagine if somebody lived in like an apartment.
They heard
just
farm
heard,
noises.
That's all I hear.
Bah. That one I released because I'm a goat. I'm the goat.
Okay, you need to move on. So,
Yeah, I think that's wild for us to even have that in the news that animal noises help us poop. But if you're struggling, this is news you needed to know because you would need to know this. Let's get to the next one.
yes, let's leave that.
You know it's Christmas time.
I do know it's Christmas.
Do you have a favorite Christmas song?
Oh, I do.
You do. What is
I do. It's called What Does Christmas Mean by Louis York.
Really?
Yeah, it's kind of obscure, but I love that artist.
Never heard of it.
Oh yeah.
Maybe I have heard it. I just don't know the names of the
Yeah,
artists.
you might have. I don't know.
That's crazy. But listen to this. The most dangerous Christmas songs you should never listen to while driving.
Is it like a top 10 or?
There is a list.
Ah.
We'll see if you're.
All I Want for Christmas Is You is definitely on there.
Listen to this. Number 1. Do you want me to start at 10? I'll start at 10.
Yeah, I'll start at 10.
Okay.
And let me after the 10, let me guess number 1
Okay.
because I'm very curious.
Okay. Hold on. I think I'll sneeze.
Oh, not in the mic. That was so silent.
There
Where
we
did
go.
that sneeze go? Where did it go? Like it didn't come out. Like where did it go?
I kept it in.
You just got sneezes built
Tomorrow I'll let it out.
up. Just in a mood.
Just in a mood.
That's funny.
All right, number 10. I saw mommy kissing Santa Claus.
Oh yeah, that's a horrible one.
Oh, yeah.
I wonder if my dad's least favorite Christmas song is on here.
Probably.
Probably.
Number 9. Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
That is trash. I love that
Have
song.
yourself a merry
That's not how that song
little
goes.
Christmas.
No. No.
What song is that? All I want for Christmas. That's what that song. Got the
No,
wrong
it's like
one.
have yourself a merry little Christmas.
I don't
Man,
know
you
what
sang
I'm
a whole different song. It was that song, the words.
The
but
words with a
tune was
different
different.
melody.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. I'm like, get out of here with that. Know your Christmas
Don't
music.
judge me. I'm sick. All right. Number 8. I wish I could be. Oh, wait. I wish it could be Christmas every day.
Who's that? I didn't even know that song.
Never heard that song. I wish it could be Christmas every day.
Oh, I don't.
Number 7. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Oh, that song is trash. I hate that song.
Do you?
Just delete it.
Delete it out of the
Spotify,
inventory.
delete it. I hate that song.
It's a nice song.
So stupid.
Kids love it.
Stupid.
Number 6. Let it snow, let it snow, Let It Snow.
I like that. I'm cool with that song.
Go with that one. All right.
I'm good with that.
Number 5, Happy Xmas. War is over.
I actually think I've heard that song.
Really?
Yeah, I think.
This one confused me. I've never heard that one.
Why do I feel like that's by like Meghan Trainor? I don't know.
Maybe.
I don't know. Maybe.
Number 4, Santa Claus is coming to town.
I love that song. Listen, I'm just gonna spoil it for y'all. Santa ain't real. Kids, I'm sorry.
Oh,
it's just not happening. Your parents getting them gifts for you.
Oh, wow.
But I love that song. I love that song.
This is true. Santa Claus is not real.
Nah, I'm getting these gifts.
You don't get them. Number 3. I don't even know how to say this one. Fez Nivad.
Feliz Navidad.
Oh, what? Fez Nivad. Feliz.
Get out of here, bro. Get out of here.
I'm so sick.
Oh, no, you just can't read.
That's true. I do not know how to read.
He said, Feliz Navidad.
Feliz never died.
No, Feliz Navidad.
Feliz never died.
It's that one. Feliz Navidad.
Yeah.
Feliz Navidad. Or your version. Feliz never
Feliz never died.
That's wild.
Number 2. All I Want for Christmas is You.
Oh, that's number 2?
That's number 2.
Okay, wait. Let me guess number 1. I think I know.
Do you?
Santa Baby.
No.
Dang it. That's my
I'll
dad's
give you
least
another
favorite
choice.
song.
Go ahead. Another chance.
Trying to think. Is it? No, wait. Oh, I don't know. I'm trying to think. You got All I Want for Christmas, You. Let Us Know.
Uh-huh.
I feel like it's like joyful.
No.
Okay.
I'll hum it. Maybe I'll get it right.
Yeah, I don't trust you to how many Christmas songs. Frosty the Snowman.
Yep. That's it. Frosty the Snowman
I'm
is
just going.
number 1.
I'm going to just level with you on that one too. Trash. I hate that song.
Straight trash.
Trash.
Well, it's the most dangerous song is Frosty the Snowman. So
Why though?
I don't know. I guess there might have been more accidents that happened
While people
while they were listening to them songs.
Can you imagine just like, your car flips over and all of a sudden, hey there, kids. Frosty the Snowman. You just hanging upside down in your car, seat belted.
Just laying there.
That'd be so embarrassing.
That's embarrassing.
It is embarrassing.
But that's also news you need to know.
That is fact.
So while you're driving, turn them Christmas songs off. Because it's dangerous.
Right.
You need, and probably, you know why? Because we get caught up in singing the songs.
That's
and
right.
we don't pay attention while we're driving.
And see, now Frosty the Snowman makes the most sense because the parents are like trying to entertain the kids. So they reach him back, Frosty, semi. Just like that. I probably shouldn't have done that.
That's why.
That is wild.
The smack after the song. Y'all sing along.
Y'all sing.
Bah. But that's wild. And this is news y'all need to know.
That's a fact.
And guess what?
It-
You know what time it is.
It's time for my segment. I don't even know what we're going to call this.
For your segment.
And I'm very excited to be here.
Yes.
This is Hot Takes, Questions, Would You Rather, with your man DJ Code.
DJ Code.
Mr. Prez, it's good to be here. Thank you for having me once
Yeah,
again.
I'm glad you're here.
Let me pull
You're on time.
Listen, I'm sick of this. It was one time I was very late, meaning I did not show up for a podcast shoot.
You didn't.
And it is what it is.
Let me tell you this before you get into that.
Yeah, okay.
I was like, I'm sick. I should have DJ Code do his own the whole podcast.
I would have done it.
By himself. But let me take a sick day.
I would have done it too.
No, it's all right. Go ahead.
Okay, this is an interesting one, and I feel like this is gonna be hard for me because I don't even really know. Which movie would you like to see unlimited sequels of? Assuming I'm gonna add, assuming that the sequels are like really good,
Okay.
because you know how sequels be.
Oh,
they
yeah,
be
they get
tripping.
trash.
Yeah, oh yeah. They be
After
real
the second one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Quiet Place was a horrible.
Dog, I don't watch those movies. I could
Really?
never. Oh no, I would.
You don't like Quiet Place? Did you watch the first one?
No. I can't watch a horror movie.
wasn't
by
that.
myself.
It wasn't that horrible.
I'm a man.
It's not a scary. It wasn't a scary movie. It was about aliens.
No, wasn't it?
Yes, it
That's
was.
with them two little girls.
No, Quiet Place. You gotta look it up.
No, I'm too scared.
Sequel. Hunger Games.
Oh, that's actually a really good one.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, Hunger Games.
That's
Still
a
good.
really good. I think those sequels were actually good.
They're still really good.
Yeah, those were good.
But I think it will fall off eventually.
Yeah, it might have kind of fallen off on this one.
Well,
It wasn't horrible.
it wasn't too terrible, but they're
great
there. The next one, they're coming out with no ideas. They don't know what else.
Yeah, like, where do we go from here?
But Hunger Games.
That's
I would
a
say.
great one, actually. That's a great one. Okay, I've got like three.
Okay.
I've got my three. I would do Interstellar,
Okay.
even though they're never gonna make a sequel to that, and I'm so disappointed. So disappointed. Like, you don't understand how disappointed I'm.
I see.
Let me see. Interstellar. I would like to see. Okay. If they were good, Inside Out. Love. That was an emotional roller coaster.
Okay.
Toy Story, y'all got to tone it down.
Toy Story.
Y'all got to tone it
is
down.
going out of pocket.
Yeah.
Take it out of pocket at this point.
To be honest, can I say something? I want to say something.
Go ahead.
I'm trying to think if I can say this. I'm going to say this. Just don't clip it. I'm going to say this stuff.
Okay. We'll see.
I think Toy Story would be better if they cussed. I'm not going to lie.
It's a kid's show.
That's what I'm saying. Like, give me one sequel where they just light people up.
Lightyear.
Yeah, like Buzz Lightyear he just light people up.
People up. Give him his own podcast.
Right. Yeah, right. And then my third one, I had my third one in my head, and I just totally forgot because I wanted to see Toy Story cuss, apparently. But,
I see.
we all need Jesus. We all need to get better at life. But yeah, Interstellar would probably be my main one because I love that movie. Oh, wait. I remember. Maze Runner.
Oh, yeah.
I love those movies.
That was good.
Like, oh, wait.
It was kind of confusing when they went back, but.
Yeah. There's a few things about that you're like, okay. That one, and then also, have you seen the Kingsman movies?
No.
Dude.
Oh, yes, I have.
Dude, those are so
They're really good.
Yes. Like some of my favorite movies on the planet.
Yeah,
So
that's
anyway,
good.
those 4, whatever.
Have you seen Red?
Like Red Notice, like with The Rock?
Yes. Not Red Notice. It's just called Red.
Oh, was it with The Rock, though?
He wasn't in it.
Oh, there was a Netflix movie, I think, called Red Notice
Yes.
with The Rock. That was trash. That was terrible.
That was terrible. But there is two. You should go check them out. It's not scary. It's action.
I was like, yeah,
But they came out with a 1 and 2. But I think if they kept going with sequels, it's really, really good.
dude, you know the other one?
Is it Bruce Willis?
Bruce Willis? Oh.
Yeah, Bruce Willis is in it.
Oh, yeah. Don't look at me like I know.
But I think he has dementia now. So he ain't going to be in the next one.
All right, man.
Hey, shout out to Bruce
Yeah, shout out to my dog, Bruce, bro.
He's
Bro, Bad Boys.
Bad Boys trash.
Wait, you don't like the movies? Wait, you don't like even the first one?
The first one was good.
Okay.
Second one was
Yeah, they
okay.
weren't great.
Third
Like,
one was trash.
It'd be like, for me, they'd have to be good, but Bad Boys and like 21 Jump Street.
Okay.
Like, if they made like continuous sequels of that, like I would watch every single movie.
Step Brothers.
Now y'all can leave
With
that.
Will
nah,
Ferrell?
You can leave that.
What?
Yeah, you can leave that.
Oh.
What about Daddy's Home? You ever see that one with Will
have.
Ferrell? That was so funny.
That was funny. I wouldn't see another one, though.
Bro, that's such a good movie.
Yeah, those are good movies. Those
What's that
good
movie
topics.
with Mark Wahlberg?
Yes.
What is the one with Kevin Hart and Will Ferrell?
Oh, that's
the Get Hard. What is that one?
It was Get Hard.
Man, that one was so good when he went to jail. Oh, I wish they made a sequel of that.
Yeah,
That'd be so good.
that would be good.
Anyway,
That was good.
yeah, sorry, that was longer than I wanted it to be, but
Well, reminiscent.
yeah, it really was. I was like, oh,
Well, thank you, DJ Code. I appreciate that.
yeah. Now, what movie would you want to see a sequel of? Please let us know. Type in the comments.
Type it in the comments and let us know.
Napoleon Dynamite.
No.
Nah. That movie is good standalone.
It was. Let's get to the dessert.
Yes. What do we got?
Listen to this. We got the French apple cake.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
Oh, yeah. A little ice cream.
Ooh. What kind of ice cream?
Vanilla.
That's good.
The Caucasian milk.
Don't try to steal my line.
I'm not stealing. I'm using it. That was you. But yeah, let's get to the dessert. You know what time it is?
What time is it?
It's time to get into Mr. Prez encouragement corner. It's that time. And listen, I'm starting something new with this encouragement corner.
Oh, are you?
Oh yeah. This is something for you all to remember as you wake up in the morning, either on Tuesday morning when you're listening to it, or Wednesday, or Thursday, or Friday, or Saturday. You know what? Possibly Sunday.
Okay, I think that they get it.
Well, listen to this. Begin each morning by acknowledging the things you are grateful for. This practice can shift your mindset towards positivity and foster a sense of commitment.
I like that, actually.
Yes. Consider keeping a gratitude journal where you can jot down a few things that you're thankful for. We all should be thankful. Sometimes we're not. We take everything for granted.
Yeah, facts.
The breath that we breathe, the water that we drink. And time to be grateful in this time of need. And Christmas is here.
Christmas is here.
So be thankful for your friends, your family, Mr. Prez, DJ Cole.
Oh, that's right.
The Make You Crunch podcast.
Yeah, amen.
Fun Fact Fridays.
Right. And to be decided on DJ Code whatever day.
We're going to decide that.
Right.
But I hope you all enjoyed this meal that we partaked in. Thank you for listening on Spotify and that YouTube and all the other streaming platforms. We appreciate you all for coming in and listening. There's one thing that I want to leave you all with this last podcast of this year, I think.
Is it?
Maybe.
Wait a minute.
Maybe I'll be
We're gonna calendar this up real quick.
But I want to leave you all with this.
No, we got one more.
We got one more? Okay.
Yeah.
I still want to leave you all with this. Take a shower.
Oh, Lord, have
You
mercy.
stink. Christmas time is here. Don't go to that Christmas party with must on your breath,
Shame on you.
in your body. Put some deodorant on, huh? Let's do that for once. Also, brush your teeth. Shout out to Colgate.
They don't sponsor the pod. Friends of the pod.
Friends of the pod. Don't sponsor us yet, but brush your teeth. We don't want you to get all that plaque and all that all off your teeth, okay? Floss. And we appreciate you. And we'll see you all next week.
One, I have to say, before we officially leave, Mr. Prez, Merry Christmas
Merry Christmas.
from myself, DJ Cole,
Oh, yes.
Mr. Prez, and the Make Your Crunch podcast.
Oh, yeah.
To all, and good morning.
We'll see you all next week.